Hi, this is Grace Power, and today I wanted to tell everybody that I have a new magnetic eyelash tool applicator available, and this will be so valuable to you, especially a time saver if you are using your magnetic lashes and struggling to get them on, or just taking too long to put them on, or especially if you're brand new to magnetic lashes and have never even tried them before and you want to try them. Get some of these before you attempt putting them on. It'll just save you a lot of hassle. What they are is a little plastic handle, and it has a magnetic strip on the tip. So that's what will attach to your lash. And what I've been doing is using them to bring up the lower lash to clip onto the top lash. And it just is a little bit easier than using my fingers and trying to get my hands so close. Sometimes when I'm bringing my hands up, I'll like bump the top lash, or my hands are just in the way. With this little tool, you put the lash on the tip, you can totally see what you're doing. You can get it right in line with your eye. You can get it right up close to your eye and get your lash right along the lash line. So it's really cool. And it's really simple too. And it's small, so it'll be easy to carry with you or travel with you or put in your makeup bag, whatever you need. It's not big and bulky. So let's go ahead and demonstrate it, because that's the funnest part and people are probably kind of curious, like, how does that really work? So I'm going to go ahead and just start. I'll just test on this eye. I have some lashes on, so I'm going to take them off to start. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lower lash onto the little tool that has a R next to it, because it's my right eye. So to do that, you want to have the lashes facing away from your eye, the magnets closest to your eye, and then you want to just kind of have them curled, curved a little bit on that magnetic strip. So go ahead and use that strip to kind of know which way to curve it and curve the lower lash. So that way it'll just go nice and snug a little closer to your eye line. Okay, now go ahead and put your top lash in place over your eye. I always kind of give mine a little wiggle just to get a nice curvature in there. And then just make sure that it's like on the eye line. I like mine just a little above the eye line, so that when I go to grab it, it grabs really close. So then just bring this up and close your eye and let those magnets find each other. You can help them find each other just by putting a little pressure if need be. And there you go. That easy. It's so easy. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate the other side. Everybody has one eye that's easier than the other, and for me it tends to be my left eye that's a little bit harder for me. So I'm actually really happy to have these now, because it makes it so much faster for me to get that eye, the left eye on there. So just put it along the curve. Make sure the lashes are facing outward. You don't want to face them in and then you bring it up to your eye and poke your eye with your lashes. Go ahead and just give that top lash a little curve, and then lay it exactly where you want it and a little above the lash line. Bring this one up right in line with where you want that, kind of matched up with the top. I've just been putting just that little bit of pressure just to make sure that they're attached before I pull the bottom thing away, the tool away. And there you go. That's how fast and easy it is. It's so cool. So get one of these for yourself. It comes in a set, so you get both the right and left ones. Another thing that you might be able to do, I wasn't able to do it with the long lash, but if you have a shorter lash that just has the one magnet, a different brand, ones that we don't sell or make, you might be able to use both these tools if it's necessary or if it's helpful. You can put a magnet on the top and then put the other magnet on the bottom and then clamp them over your eye. Like, especially if you're just doing this end one, you could just do the corner one and then just bring this bottom up to clip it. So that's really good. I think that you can use that for the shorter lashes. I think for the longer lashes, especially if you have a curve like I do, this was too flat to get it to curve with my eye. So I wasn't having so much success with putting it on the top and the bottom, but keep that in mind if you have, you know, a shorter half lash, that you could do that with, and it might even be more easy. Or just ensure that that top one's not gonna go flying or fall off or anything because you have it secured on the little tool. So these little tools are great. They're available for sale. We have 9 available right now, so not a gazillion, but we'll be getting more, and we can ship at least to the first 9 customers. So hopefully that's you, and let us know how it works for you. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll be giving you updates on all of our new inventions or new things we come out with, new lash styles, etc., etc. All right, talk to you later. Bye.